Have you ever been stumped by one of your child's big questions? Like, what is air? It's everywhere, but we can't see it, touch it, or smell it. Yet it's so important. Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll help you explain what air is, why it's so cool. And we'll even show you a fun hands-on experiment to try together. When your child asks, "What is air?" you can say this: air is a mix of tiny invisible pieces called gases that surround the whole Earth. Think of it like an invisible blanket that we all share. It's made mostly of nitrogen and oxygen, with a sprinkle of other gases. And even though you can't see air, it's always there, filling up balloons, moving kites, and even helping you breathe. Try this. Ask your child, "What do you think happens when you blow up a balloon? What's inside it?" Then explain, "That's air, you can't see it, but you can feel it." Here's how you can break it down for your child. Air is a superhero that does 3 really important things. It helps us breathe. When you take a breath, your body uses oxygen in the air to give you energy. Without air, we wouldn't be able to run, play, or even think. It protects the Earth by keeping it warm and shielding us from harmful sun rays. It creates the wind, clouds, and weather that we see every day. Ask your child to describe how it feels when the wind blows on their face. Then explain, "That's air moving really fast." Here's a simple and fun experiment to show your child how powerful air can be. It only takes a few minutes, but it's sure to impress them. Materials needed: a clear glass or plastic cup, water, and a sturdy piece of cardboard. First, fill a glass all the way to the top with water. Next, place a piece of cardboard on top of the glass. Hold it there with your hand. Now, carefully flip the glass upside down while holding the cardboard in place. Once it's upside down, slowly let go of the cardboard. Be amazed, the water stays in the glass. Your child might shout, "How does that even work?" When your child asks, "Why didn't the water fall out?" here's what you can say. The air around the glass is pushing up on the cardboard harder than the water is pushing down. This is called air pressure. Even though you can't see air, it's always there, working behind the scenes to hold the water in place. So now you know how to explain air in a way that's simple, fun, and interactive. Your child will learn that air is invisible but super important. It helps us breathe, protects our planet, and even lets us do cool experiments. Try this experiment with your child and tell us how it went in the comments below. What's the next tricky question your child has asked? Let us know, and we might make a video about it.